In this video, I am going to be downloading and installing the Transcendent VMS onto my Mac. What you want to do is go to our website, vitekcctv.com, and either on the search or product, you will search for your Transcendent model. For this example, I'm just going to type in the TTAR. Now, any one of these, you could hover your mouse over and you want to select full view. Then you want to click on downloads. And then we're going to scroll down and look for the Transcendent VMS for OS X. Now, you could either choose to click here once it's downloaded or go to your Go and Downloads folder. Doesn't really matter. And you want to basically left click and hold and drag over to your desktop. Once this is done, you're pretty much done. Now, if you cannot open this, it's because you have your settings on your Mac as an Apple only. You are downloading from a website and not from the App Store or iTunes. So you pretty much might need to go into security and privacy and make sure that right here is going to say, like, do you want to allow this to run or install? You'll just go ahead and click yes. So I did get this message. I do want to open it up. It is saying that I got it from the internet and not from the App Store or from any Apple related developer. I do want to open this. And now I'm going to go ahead and create a user and password account for this VMS. For this example, I'm just going to call it admin and 1, 2, 3, 4 and go ahead and register. So now I should be able to log in with my register account. I do want to allow the Transcendent VMS to do incoming network connections. But we're pretty much done. This is how you would download and install the Transcendent VMS onto your Mac. Please look for other videos on how to proceed in adding devices and doing backups. Thank you.